It's the real developers of AI.
You said the payment reconciliation workflow code was un-refactorable. Guess what? All of the tests pass. I let Copilot generate the coverage, and I found a test generation agent on a Discord.
Discord? Did SecOps vet that?
In one sense, yes. In what?
Okay, well, did you at least run end-to-end tests?
That's all on Matt.
It's called Testy, but he's still a little bit aggressive.
Okay, well, I can't believe I'm about to say this, but let's go ahead and do a dry run.
Oh, yes! You're not gonna regret this.
I have a master's degree in human-computer interaction, and it did not prepare me for any aspect of interacting with that human or his computer.